In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error creation key or error creating value message in the Registry Editor. Now this should be a quick process video. Just go ahead to the search menu, type in Regedit, which is Registry Editor, then click on Run as Administrator. Then after that, the Registry Editor window will pop up for you. Just go ahead to the registry key you're having a problem with, then right-click on it. After that, just go ahead, click on Permissions. And then you can go where it says Advanced at the bottom. As you can see, just click on it. Then click on the Add button. As you can see now, then at the top left, click on Select a Principal. And then just go ahead, enter the user account name. Or you can go ahead, click on Advanced, and then click on Find Now. And after that, locate your user account name from this list. And then select OK. After that, click on OK again. Then click on Full Control, click Apply, and then OK. As you can see now, just make sure you know what you are doing in the registry when you are trying to access files that you need elevated permissions to access. Then click on OK. So now you should be good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.